Now we're going to show you how to create a multi-view drawing with the parts that you created. Create multi-view drawing consists of a front view, a top view, a right side view, and a pictorial isometric, and we're going to put these annotations, dimensions on them as well. Let's begin. Start with New, Standard IDW, click Create. We're going to go to the left-hand side in our browser where we see Sheet 1, right-click, Edit Sheet. We're going to change it from a D size paper to a C size paper. Click OK. We're going to go to our top ribbon, Base View. Click on our Browse folder here. We're going to make sure we're in our H drive, first initial last name 000. We're going to get our clamp block. You can do this with any of the other things that you created. Select Open. Click OK. When I move my cursor here to the front view, I get a dotted line that goes around the whole entire shape. I'm going to click, and I'm going to position this in the lower left-hand corner since this is my front view. Next, I'm going to go to my ribbon, and I'm going to go to Projected. Now, mine automatically snaps here and is attached to my cursor. However, if it does not, when I click Projected, like this does not here, I can click my front view, and then it picks up my drawings that are attached to my cursor. I'm going to click when I get my top view located in the right spot. I'm going to click when I get my right view located in the right spot, and pictorial isometric. Click. Then I'm going to right click and create. Next, I want to take and I want to put these dimensions on here to match this drawing. In order to do that, I'm going to change up here in the top from Place Views to Annotate, and I'm going to get my dimension. I'm going to match my dimensions to the bottom here by clicking and placing my dimensions on. If you don't like this Edit Dimension screen coming up, you can deselect it by check marking here. Click OK, and that won't pop up anymore. I'm going to continue to dimension. Until I get all of my dimensions on. Let's check our sheet. We need these two dimensions for the hole and this counterbore depth. Dimension, center of my hole. Dimension from the center of my hole to the bottom. Oops. Click OK. Dimension from the center of my hole. Clicked it again. Sorry. Want to make sure we're zooming in sometimes, and we got to select the center of that hole and the bottom of my edge. There we go. And next, in order to get the specification for the hole that's drilled, we're going to use our hole and thread tool. Click your outside circle. Click to place it. Zoom all. You now have a pictorial isometric and multi-view drawing done and created. Make sure you go up to the top orange capital letter I. Save as. Make sure it's in your H drive, first initial last name 000. It automatically will title it the clamp block. Click Save. Congratulations, you are done.